Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss the 8 traits that baby get or inheritance from their father. When you are anxiously waiting for your little one's arrival, you will probably wonder not only that they will look like you, but how they will act, talk, walk, and more. Already we discussed in earlier classes. Here are the 8 traits your baby will inherit from their father or from their dad. Let us see. Surprises in nature. Genetics is a funny thing. We will see two people who were so sure that the baby was going to be a hug linebacker, but when the time came, a sweet, petite little girl slipped into this world. Obviously, everyone was shocked, but more than anything, Mom was pleasantly surprised. It was also a blatant reminder that we are all just big question and it takes only a shift in DNA coding to create a brand new person. One more important thing to know is that a recent study found that men are 4 times more likely to have mutations because they continue to produce sperms as they age. But women are born with all the eggs they will ever need. Age plays a role in between both male and female reproduction. Here are 7 traits that your baby is likely to inherit from their father. First one is height. Physical appearance has whole in heavily biased towards experiencing your father given genes. Physical appearance as a whole in heavily biased towards expressing your father given genes, and there's much thought that is due to several of its fittest. Back when your survival depend on physical endurance and stamina, it was perfect for female to partner with a physically superior males. Now let us discuss about dental health. If your pop has a mouthful of cavities, it could be that you are looking at a life filled with trips to the dentist. Better check for a rewards or cards. Dimples. Women win over dimples. They are likely precious accessories on a already tall drink of water. Good news about these sweet cheeks is that they are dominant, so your child is likely to have dimples too. Heart spoon. Toes, particularly webbed toes, is daddy's carried of a Pert syndrome gene and is over 40 years old. Fingerprints. There is a belief that this is a nicky way the nature designed to be ways for female to identify their offspring. This could be a fun genetic expressions that is still around from hunting and gathering days. Bipolar disorders and major depressive disorders are among the list of psychological conditions that are passed down via the Y linkage. This is a peculiar relationship that happens when a father passes along mental health conditions on Y chromosome to their son. Handedness. You are more likely to share your dominant hand with your father over your mother if one is left hand and one is right handed. Added this to the list after your child beginning your husband's identical twin. Their first word being Dada and always looks 10x more delighted to see their father. All jokes aside, nature was designed especially to create a varying equations resulting in varying humans. This is a beautiful reminder to never judge other people, especially people you know nothing about it. You never know what is going on the world literally and genetically. We all are very complex individuals, and the way we are wired in unique to each individual. I will leave with you this, children. You are exactly who are supposed to be, and you are rocking being you. You can do this. You are doing this, wondering what type of personality your baby will have. You are your partners. Check out the genetic explanations how the personality is determined. Children, people use a machine in their ear to help them hear better. Some use a stick or spectacles to help them in other ways. Do you know someone who does so? We have seen that some traits or habitats we get from our family. Yes, some things and skills we learn from our environment. At times, our babies change because of some illness or old age. All this together make us what we are. Children, now let us study what are genes and genetics relate and how they are related to the parents. Related parents are more likely than unrelated parents to have children with health problems or genetic conditions. This is because the two parents share one or more common ancestors and so carry some of the same genetic material. If both parents carries the same inherited gene change, the children are more likely to have a genetic conditions. Related couples are commanded to seek advice from a clinical genetic services if their family has a history of genetic conditions.